Selecting the right mic is about matching your specific recording environment with the right balance of portability and power. In this video, we will talk about the best mics for DJI Osmo Pocket 3.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have DJI Mic 2. The DJI Mic 2 is widely considered a top-tier choice for the Osmo Pocket 3 due to its seamless, native integration. Intelligent noise cancellation enhances vocal clarity, ensuring clean, professional audio even during interviews or video shoots in environments with unpredictable background noise. The compact transmitter features a unique clip and magnet design, offering flexible, discreet placement for a cleaner setup and more polished-looking videos. DJI Mic 2 supports internal recording, though this function is unavailable when the transmitter is connected to a smartphone via Bluetooth. Each transmitter includes 8 GB of built-in storage, capable of saving up to 14 hours of uncompressed 48 kHz, 24-bit audio. With an extended battery life of up to 6 hours, this Bluetooth microphone delivers reliable recording and live streaming performance, even in remote locations with limited access to charging. With its intelligent noise-canceling capabilities and an 18-hour total battery life with the charging case, it remains a robust and dependable choice for creators who want professional results without technical headaches. On number 2, we have DJI Mic 3. Representing the pinnacle of wireless audio technology in 2026, the DJI Mic 3 is a masterclass in miniaturization and performance. Whether you're whispering or raising your voice, this wireless mic's adaptive gain control automatically balances audio levels, keeping your sound clear and consistent in busy cafes, outdoor adventures, or dynamic recording environments. Sound your best wherever you record. Choose from 3 voice tones and 2 noise cancellation levels to match your style, effectively reducing unwanted noise in studios, parks, or bustling city streets. Enjoy crystal clear audio even in crowded spaces. Dual-band anti-interference technology delivers stable, lossless transmission, ensuring reliable performance at live events, busy offices, or on-the-go shoots. Never lose a take with pro-grade backup recording. Dual-file 32-bit float internal recording captures every detail without clipping or distortion, giving you complete peace of mind during critical recordings. On number 3, we have Boya Mini 2 Mic. For creators who are just starting out or those who prioritize weight above all else, the Boya Mini 2 Mic is a revolutionary budget-friendly option. Weighing a mere 5 grams, roughly the same as 2 pennies, this microphone is currently the lightest wireless solution on the market. Despite its small stature, it does not compromise on quality, delivering 48 kHz 24-bit resolution that significantly outperforms most built-in camera mics. The Mini 2 features advanced AI-powered noise cancellation that can suppress up to 40 decibels of ambient sound, making it particularly effective for vlogging in noisy environments like trade shows or busy streets. A standout safety feature is the integrated -12 decibel safety track, which records a secondary backup at a lower volume to protect against unexpected audio peaks. While it lacks the onboard recording of the DJI models, its 30-hour total battery life and ultra-compact charging case make it an incredibly compelling choice for travel vloggers who need a simple plug-and-play audio upgrade. So these are some of the best mics to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.